Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I made this boho inspired mirror. So if you're interested, keep on watching. First you're going to need two size sticks. I'm using a 8-inch stick and a 6-inch stick. You want two different sizes. The mirror that you're going to be using, this is a 5-inch mirror. Any size mirror works. A pair of scissors, a glue gun, this natural raffia that we're going to use to wrap around our mirror, a ruler, and a dry erase marker. I'll show you why we need all of this as we go. Okay, once you have all of your materials ready to go, we can start our project. For the purpose of this video, I put a paper on top of the mirror so it wouldn't reflect so much light. First, we're going to make a line every half an inch around the mirror. Just like this. Let's see. With our dry erase marker, that way we're able to erase it when we're done. So every half inch, a line. That's where each of our sticks will go. And it's just a marker to let us know where to place the stick. So we continue to do this all around the mirror. Okay. Now we can begin gluing our sticks. I'm going to grab one of the 8-inch. We're going to go one size and then the next size. Okay, so I'm going to start. I placed the glue on top of the line that I made. About half an inch into the mirror. Okay, wait a little bit for the glue to dry. Now I'm going to place the other size stick just like so. This is how it's looking. Okay, and I continue all around. You do the same process all around the mirror. You can do whatever size sticks and whatever size mirror you want, just as long as the sticks are two different sizes. Continue to go around until you're done. Okay, now that our mirror is complete, we can add the raffia to it. So before I start putting the raffia, I'm gonna put a little bit of glue to the side of the stick so that the raffia will stick. Okay, and I want it as close as I can to the mirror. Now I'm gonna go in a pattern. I'm gonna go up and down, just like this, all around the mirror. And I'm going to be doing about four layers of this same pattern. At 4 I'll stop, and then I'll see maybe if it needs one For 2 more, we'll check. Okay, now when I reach the beginning, now I'm going to reverse the pattern. So I'm going to go under this one and up. And do the same pattern for another 2 or 3 layers. Well guys, this is how our boho inspired mirror turned out. I hope you guys liked today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!